Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. Now we are on the third question. So the third question is, where is it? Okay, what kind of coverage do you prefer from your foundations? So for me, I love high coverage foundations, but in the same time like glides so smoothly and doesn't cake. It doesn't feel heavy on my skin. So I love high coverage concealer. Sometimes I love the medium coverage when I have a perfect skin, but if I have like kind of some blemishes, I feel my skin is a little bit tired, I need more coverage, especially if I'm gonna make a, like kind of a really bold and really like wild kind of a makeup. I love high coverage foundation. So first one, high coverage. Second, like medium coverage. Or sometimes I use only concealers if I'm gonna go light, especially in the hot weather. So I guess that's it. So this is for the third questions. I really hope you like it. And let's go to the fourth one in the next video, which will be tomorrow. And I'm gonna see you very soon. Bye.